if the curves 2x is equal to y square and 2xy is equal to k intersect perpendicularly, then the value of k square is. So here the two curves are given. 2x is equal to y square. Let me write this is equation 1. And 2xy is equal to k. This is your second equation. Now solving these two equations, so we can get that in the second equation, first equation if we substitute in the second equation, so we'll be getting y cube is equal to k, that is k is or y is equal to k to the power of 1 by 3, and substitute this y is equal to k to the power of 1 by 3 in let me take in the second first equation. In first equation if I put so 2x is equal to k to the power of 2 by 3, right? Or x is equal to, we can write k to the power of 2 by 3 divided by 2. So we had a point solving these two equations. On solving 1 and 2, we got point of intersection. K to the power of 2 by 3 by 2 comma, and y is nothing but k to the power of 1 by 3. So this is the point where the two curves will intersect. Now differentiate the equation of curve 1. Differentiate first equation with respect to x. So we will be getting 2 is equal to 2y dy by dx, or instead of that we can write y dash. So which implies 1 is equal to y dash, or we can also write y dash is equal to 1 upon y, or by taking the slope at a point, at this point, let me take this as the point P. So dy by dx at P is equal to 1 divided by m. M is nothing but k to the power of 1 by 3. So let me take this as m1 is equal to 1 divided by k to the power of 1 by 3. Now differentiate the second equation. Differentiate with respect to x. First equation, and here it is second equation. So second equation 2xy is equal to k. So 2 times of xy dash plus y is equal to 0. Or we can write xy dash is equal to minus y, or y dash is equal to minus y upon x. So here at the point dy by dx at point P can be taken here minus y is k to the power of 1 by 3 divided by x is nothing but k to the power of 2 by 3 divided by 2, or into 2. So this is what, or we can write minus 2 divided by k power 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is k to the power of 1 by 3. Okay. So we got the two equations, and since in the question it is given they intersect perpendicularly. If they intersect perpendicularly, so we had m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. So we can use this condition, 1 divided by k to the power of 1 by 3 into minus 2 divided by k to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1. Right? And hence we can just solve it. Minus 2, it comes here. K to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is nothing but k to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to, so we'll get 2, or k square is equal to 2 to the power of 3. 2 power 3 is 8, and hence we can say k square value is 8. So which option, k square is equal to 8? Third option. Hence the problem.